पर्वतों ने की ऊंचाई की महिमा, पानी ने विस्तार की बात बताई, दरख्तों ने संघर्ष करना, राहों ने मंजिल दिखाई।
लद्दाख राइड का सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज ही उसकी अनप्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी है। We were unable to trace two riders.
So there was a moment when I lost the control probably of the bike and I was about to crash in the rocks.
I think a lot of people got stuck.
We are in Ladakh, the rooftop of the world, जहां ऑक्सीजन कम होती है पर जुनून डबल हो जाता है।
मैं शायद ये 5वीं या 6ठी दफ़ा लद्दाख गया and it was like I was going there for the first time because it was for the first time that I was going with 18 other people with me.
Ladakh was probably my college dream. So कभी शायद कॉलेज में there was a subconscious thought कि हम भी लद्दाख बाइक से करेंगे.
I would consider it as more like a divine intervention where Krishan ji actually made sure that if I so desperately want to go to Ladakh this year, he made it happen, and I'm extremely grateful to Moto Life and Shell Advance for that.
पूरा लद्दाख एक मोमेंट में डेजर्ट, दूसरे में ग्लेशियर, कभी लेक, कभी मूनस्केप, स्काई हर घंटे नया कैनवस बन जाता है।
Ladakh is a magical land. Ladakh से better कुछ नहीं है. It has everything. It will satisfy your soul.
हर मोड़, हर टर्न, हर एक लैंडस्केप हमें कुछ सिखा रहा था। पेशेंस, कामनेस एंड किस तरह से हमें चैलेंजेस को ओवरकम करना है और अपने आप को ग्रो करना है।
Ladakh is nothing like any other ride actually. There was a surprise, I think, coming every now and then.
The challenges were altogether different. Like in Ladakh, we have to deal with the altitude. We need to acclimatize.
The beauty about Ladakh is that the terrains keep on changing every few kilometers. So even if you're not ready for it, you have to, cross the terrains.
So the first day was very exciting as it was full of lazing around, full of sleeps, full of food, and then we went for Thiksey Monastery, explored it, we made reels, we had ice creams, फिर हम लोग पत्थर साहिब भी गए जहाँ पे हमने लंगर का खाना खाया तो वो भी बहुत ही अच्छा लगा।
June 21st, World Motorcycle Day. इन लड़कियों ने सिर्फ वर्ल्ड मोटरसाइकिल डे सेलिब्रेट नहीं किया, उन्होंने दुनिया को दिखाया कि राइडिंग का जुनून किसी जेंडर का मोहताज नहीं।
जब मेरे को सबसे पहले शेल से फ़ोन आया कि वो 21 जून वर्ल्ड मोटरसाइकिल डे पे कुछ मॉन्यूमेंटल करना चाह रहे हैं, जैसे ही मुझे वर्ल्ड मोटरसाइकिल डे सुनाई दिया मेरे दिमाग में अगला वर्ड आया खारदुंगला करते।
On 21st June, when everybody was clicking a picture, and I was just looking at these ladies like they did it.
नुब्रा वैली में जब हवा चलती है ना तो सिर्फ बंडाना ही नहीं, सोच भी उड़ जाते हैं।
We were all excited for the day 3, that was the Nubra का जो water crossing था, and it was kind of challenging.
Before the water crossing, before we could start from the hotel, सबको बहुत डर था and we were wondering कि इसको cross कैसे करेंगे. So we waited for Amit sir to actually go and gauge कि कितना depth है, कितने पत्थर हैं. फिर इंदर गई, फिर एक दो और मनीषा गई वगैरह, and that kind of gave us the confidence to actually cross through.
There was first river crossing. I was anxious. So somehow I got out from the river, but I had a fall after that. After the first water crossing, something just broke loose. And when I saw the second water crossing, which was the biggest one, I didn't wait for the briefing and just went through the water crossing. And the moment I reached the end of it, at that moment, it was a kind of, I would say, the most amazing moment which I had ever felt.
लद्दाख के रास्ते बहुत खूबसूरत हैं, लेकिन कभी-कभी यही रास्ते बहुत टफ बन जाते हैं। फिर भी ये राइडर्स रुकती नहीं, थ्रॉटल स्टेडी, हिम्मत हाई, क्योंकि हर चैलेंज के बाद you get to meet a new version of yourself.
On the day when we were riding from Nubra to Pangyong, we were unable to trace 2 riders in the group who had stopped for a break, and we were not able to track them. So for a good 30 to 40 minutes, it was a situation that we had to deal with, and then the backup team got hold of those 2 riders. But I realized on day 2 that जल्दी स्टार्ट करके ना हमारे को जो एडवांटेज मिल रही है वो हम लंबे स्टॉप्स लेके उसे खो दे रहे हैं। द लंच स्टॉप दैट वी डिड ऑन द BRO कैफे वाज really long.
Amit had directed me and Sana to order lunch for the whole gang. And it seemed that the service at that restaurant was very slow.
जब मुझे बताया गया कि एक सेकेंड राउंड ऑफ फूड आने वाला है एंड वी आर गोइंग टू बी डिलेड फॉर अनदर 20-30 मिनट्स, so I was like categorically telling everybody we need to make our move. We cannot be late anymore.
To that Amit said कि जो भी करना है करो, but 20 minutes के बाद मैं सबको छोड़ के भाग जाऊंगा. And when the order came and everybody was out, there were people who were still gearing up, and I could see Amit, and he just sped off. He did not wait for anybody. He went with the word which he had stated कि मैं सबको छोड़ के भाग जाऊंगा.
Since we are moving to Pangyong, उस टाइम पे सिग्नल नहीं आता है, स्ट्रीट लाइट्स है नहीं, और पैंगोंग के रास्ते में छोटे छोटे वाटर स्ट्रीम्स आते हैं जो आप जितना लेट होगे वो उतने बड़े हो जाएंगे. और हमारा स्टे अब की बार पैंगोंग से भी 25 किलोमीटर अंदर था, तो वो एक एडेड डिस्टेंस था जो हमको सनलाइट रहते रहते कवर करना था. तो इसलिए आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू मेंटेन द टाइम स्पीड डिस्टेंस. दैट्स ऑल.
लद्दाख हमेशा याद रहेगा, क्योंकि ये लोग, ये दोस्ती और ये राइड लाइफ टाइम मेमोरीज बन जाती हैं.
For Leh Ladakh ride, I was after Amit's life to arrange a gorilla for me. Even at the last day, I had no clue कि मेरे लिए कौन सी बाइक अरेंज हो रही है. On the first day of the ride, when everybody was having dinner, तो Amit very casually was putting food and he just crossed me and said कि बाहर 2 बाइक्स आई हैं, you just go and have a look कि कौन सी आई हैं. I just went out and I saw there was an orange colored gorilla just standing right there.
In the evening when we reached Pagangso, so we had some time, तो हमने सोचा कि चलो थोड़ा सा लेक के पास चलते हैं. फिर हमने जुगाड़ लगाया कि वहाँ पे कुछ टूरिस्ट आए हुए थे, so उनकी 2 व्हीकल्स थे, तो हमने जाके अपना लेडी चार्म चलाया एंड वाज लाइक भैया प्लीज़ हमें ले चलो एंड लाइक दैट. तो वो हमें मान गए ले जाने के लिए. सो हम लोगों ने इनोवास पे चढ़ के और लेक की तरफ चले गए. अब वहाँ जाने के बाद में जो इनोवास थी वो तो वहाँ की रेत में फंस गई, आगे ही नहीं जा रही थी. फिर फाइनली हमने इनोवास को धक्के वक्के लगा के वी आस्क्ड देम टू स्टॉप देयर. वहाँ से हम लोग फिर पैदल पैदल आगे गए. जब वापस आने लगे तो देखा इनोवास तो काफ़ी दूर खड़ी है. एंड लकीली हमारा जो मेंटेनेंस व्हीकल था दैट वाज 4x4 स्टैंडिंग देयर ओनली नियर द लेक. और हम सब लोग फिर मेंटेनेंस व्हीकल की जहाँ हमारे बैग्स थे उस बैग्स की जगह सब हम लोग उसमें भर गए ऐसे भेड़ बकरियों की तरह. एंड उसने बैकअप व्हीकल ने हमें जिप जैप जूम करते हुए इनोवास तक पहुंचाया. एंड वो राइड जो थी 2 मिनट की, दैट वाज लाइक सो मच फन. एवरीवन वाज यू नो अ 3-4 year kid shouting like anything. और फिर आए तो हमारी इनोवास जो थी वो रेत में धसी हुई थी, तो भाई सब ने मिलकर उसमें धक्के लगाए, बाहर तक लाए और फिर उसमें बैठ करके हम लोग वापस आए.
There was one scary moment for me. मुझे भगवान के दर्शन हो गए थे उस moment में. So there was this water crossing which I had crossed and I was waiting for other riders to do that crossing. It was getting very hot and it was muddy. So I thought, such clear, crystal, cold water is flowing. Why not go and wash my face in the water stream? So I just walked towards the stream, and there was one rider who just came across the stream. She just came towards me out of nowhere, and I was scared to death.
Beginning of the trip itself started with a funny moment. I was supposed to be at the airport by 3:40 a.m. in the morning so that we could take the flight with the tribe. And at 3:50 a.m. I got a call from Inder that we can't see you, where are you? And I said, I just got up and I'll see you in a while. And look at my speed and my desperation to join the tribe. That 3:50 I got up, and 4:35 from Gurgaon, I was at the airport at 4:35, and I was just with the tribe while they were just going for their security check-in.
We are not that somebody who make a lot of videos and take photographs and all that, but the other people who were telling us, okay, do it like this, walk like this, and they were taking photographs, they were making videos. So I think it was overall probably something that we will cherish.
If you ask us today, sitting here, we're like, oh, that's so cringe. Not sure how we did that, but at that point of time, it was like we were just in the moment, in the flow.
पता नहीं हमारी एकेडमी में मेरे फॉल्स इतने सेलिब्रेट क्यों किए जाते हैं. जिस दिन हम नुब्रा से पैंगोंग जा रहे थे, व्हेन वी रीच पेट्रोल पंप खुला नहीं था. तो व्हाइल आई वाज ट्राइंग टू मैन्यूवर माई सेल्फ टू द लीड राइडर, अनदर बाइकर ऑल्सो incidentally started moving in the similar direction, and there was not enough room. So I had a slip and Sana was behind me, and we had a fall just outside the petrol pump at a very low speed. Happy?
But eventually, we all know that it's not about the destination, but this journey and our togetherness.
The lead rider Singhe was phenomenal. I think he knows the whole Ladakh region like the back of his hands. Every turn, every road, every incline, he knows it like he's done it a million times. The backup crew was amazing. कुछ छोटे मोटे पंचर्स हुए, माइनर ब्रेकडाउन्स हुए, तो they were taken care of very well. तो अगर मेरे तक बात नहीं पहुंच रही है, then the backup crew is doing its job very well.
Riding with an all-women group is very different from riding in mixed groups, obviously, because when there are all women and when they are bonded by one common thing, the sisterhood, the vibe is completely different.
First and foremost, I would like to thank Shell because they have been integral part of planning and executing this ride. और अगर शायद Shell नहीं होता तो शायद ये ride नहीं होती. And their team has also been very, very supportive in planning a lot of details, helping us out how to go about things, what was needed, what not needed.
Divided by responsibilities and united by Moto Life.
Very genuine thanks to Moto Life and Amit sir, and I think we can never get a mentor like Amit sir. That's the fact that we all believe in. गुरु पूर्णिमा पे अगर एक गुरु को जो हम पूजते हैं वो हमारे अमित सर हैं. बड़ा genuine appreciation है और बहुत genuine respect है उनके लिए. The way he has created this community, this is more like a family for all of us.
तो ये था लद्दाख ओडिसी 2025. जहाँ रोड्स खत्म हुए वहाँ यादें शुरू हो गई. And as the engines cooled and the helmets came off, these girls just didn't ride in Ladakh, they rose with it.
Spellbound,
Out of my comfort zone.
Mystical, patience,
Indescribable.
Adventurous,
Mesmerizing.
Upskilling.
togetherness.
Sisterhood, छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका.
One of the life goals achieved.
Many more rides together.
Lovely bunch of riders.